Hi, it's Stephanie from Blog and Create, and in this video, we're going to look at 5 ways to find keywords on Pinterest. Keywords are important because they make it possible for people to find your pins when they search, and also to help Pinterest understand your content so it can recommend your pins in home feeds and with related pins. The first place to look is right in the search bar. Notice how, as I'm typing something in, it will give you 5 suggestions. You get 8 on mobile. And these suggestions are based on other things people have typed in along with the word that you just typed. So you can continue your search and you're going to find the next way to find keywords. This bar above the search results is called guided search. You can click on these words to branch off into different search terms people use that relate to your original search. Using these words, you can create different combinations of keywords to use in board names and descriptions. The next way to find keywords is also right in your search results. You'll have to scroll down a bit, but you'll eventually come up on a section called Searches to Try. And in this section, it gives you related searches that Pinterest thinks that you could also try out. You can also find sections like this in the More Like This section underneath close-ups of individual pins. There it is, right here. And also in boards from Pinterest users who aren't using business accounts. Your own boards can also give you some different keyword ideas. So just go to one of your boards. And click the More Ideas tab. You can now find right here before all your other pins a little section that will give you some keywords that relate to the pins that are inside of your board. So these words you could use to make other pin boards or in your descriptions for boards or pins. You can also click on the Boards Like Yours box, and that will give you other boards that people have created that also contain pins that are like the ones that you have in your board. So these board names can give you ideas for other board names you could create, or again, with using the keywords in the descriptions. So the last place I want to show you is the Pinterest Ads Manager. To get this, you need to click on Ads and click Overview. You have to have a business account to view the ads platform. Once you're on your dashboard, you're going to want to pretend like you're creating an ad. So just skip all these pages. And then once you get to the Add More Details page, scroll down to where it says Keywords. Here you can type something into the search bar, and it will show you all the different ways that people search for that keyword that you typed in. It also gives you some other related terms, like here you can see canvas design ideas, even though I just typed in graphic design. So you can click on one of these items, click the plus icon, and it will show you the potential audience size. And sometimes you're going to get less than 10K, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. That just means that that keyword is really focused in. It's kind of a niche keyword, so to speak. So if you keep clicking on different ones, you may find one that has a greater than 10K audience size. So you won't necessarily reach that many people, but it kind of tells you how many people are looking for that keyword or things related to that keyword on Pinterest. So it's kind of a popularity kind of thing. So those are the 5 places where you can find keywords on Pinterest. If you'd like to learn more about keywords and using keywords in your board names and pin descriptions, join my Pinterest Quick Start Challenge. In the challenge, I'll guide you through creating your account, creating pins, and creating a mini strategy to help you get started with Pinterest marketing. Visit blogandcreate.com/challenge to sign up now. See you in the challenge, and thanks for watching.